Test you how? I test you all day. I'm your daddy. What will you do?
Yeah, you will not like what I will do, okay?
I will not like what you do. What will you do? I will not like it. You're a madman. Get out of here. What are you talking about? Eh? You think I don't know why you're here talking nonsense? Eh? Wearing suits, coming to seduce a woman that is not interested in you. It's not about wearing suits. It's about aura. I have aura. You don't have any aura. Do you understand me? I see how you look at her. You want her for yourself. But I'm here to tell you, continue going to her IG page and using soap to handle yourself, because it will never happen in reality.
That we hear is gone, the light now we leave, and the love that we hear is gone. Don't kill me.
Baby!
What is it? Baby, what is it?
I'm in a nightmare.
Oh my God.
Why is he always chasing me?
Baby.
It's okay.
It's just a bad dream. It's just a nightmare, okay?
Yes, Mommy is right. It's just a nightmare, eh? Don't be scared. We are here for you. Nobody will ever hurt you. Yeah?
But I was so scared.
My love.
So you don't need to be.
Don't be scared.
We are here for you. We are here for you.
Yes, baby. Daddy and I are here for you, okay?
Don't need to be scared.
Oh, my baby.
It's okay. Don't cry. Don't need to be scared. Cry.
Yeah. Close the curtain. Close the curtain. What's this thing?
Are you for us or against us?
Man, Wolf. What are you talking about?
Jonas, we've been trying to conceive for God knows how long, but you're not helping.
Babe, is this the conversation you want to start the day with now? Come on now. I'm tired. My head is banging. I don't need this right now.
You are tired.
I swear.
Jonas, medically I am okay, but you are not. Everything the doctor asks us not to do, they are your favorites. You enjoy doing them.
I just stepped out with my friends.
You just stepped out.
Small step out that I stepped out.
Every night you come back home drunk.
I wasn't drunk and I'm not drunk. Do you understand? I just had 1 or 2 drinks. Few drinks with my friends. It's no reason for you to be shouting like this. My head is banging.
I'm shouting.
I swear to God, I'm shouting.
It's fine. But just know there is only so much I can endure.
Okay, I'm sorry, babe. I'm sorry. I love you, man. I'm sorry. Please help me. Close. What's for breakfast?
Your head.
Breakfast, babe. Breakfast. I'm hungry.
Let me get the door, okay? Hey, come on in.
My boy. Saints, what's up?
Sent. Greet Uncle Jonas now.
Good afternoon, Uncle Jonas.
My champ, how are you? You good?
Fine.
Good. Boom! It's for you. Just go outside and play.
Yes.
All right, now let's go. Ha! Run!
Men and football. You guys should be careful, oh.
Three. Hey. I like the part. Oh, let me do you.
Careful so you don't. Easy.
No, double tackle. Yeah, I'm getting it right. That is it.
Hi, babe.
Hey?
Your father is downstairs waiting for you.
Why?
You know why, of course.
I don't have any money to give anybody.
Baby, just go down and answer him. Okay.
Jesus. Am I the only first son in this world? Why is my different?
It's okay. Don't stress. Just go and answer him. Me, I don't have strength for...
No, but he's driving me crazy.
I understand. But you have to go and answer him.
No, I'm not seeing him. Just tell him that I'm not around. Tell him. Tell him that I'm not around.
You're not serious.
Obviously, I'm not around. Am I around?
Baby, can you stop? Just go and attend to your father, please. He will soon start shouting, I don't have his strength. Very soon, you know that man, he will come up here to this room and you cannot escape it. So just go and answer him with peace.
Those people are stressing me.
It's okay.
No problem.
God kept you in this position for a reason. Just go. He will come up here and he will meet you. You cannot dodge.
Nope, I've had you. Let me go.
Before he will say, I'm the one influencing you,
Let me go. You said I should go now. But obviously, I'm not giving him any money. I've said it before.
You might be lucky, it might not even be money, so just go.
Why are you people stressing me? Papa? I don't have any money for you. I don't have a dime for you. I've said it before. I don't have any money to give to you. I said it before.
After all I've done for you?
Oh, spare me that cheap blackmail, eh? You did everything a father should. Don't tell me that again.
Okay. Oh, Mark. Aha. You have suddenly become rich. And now you can't recognize your father anymore, eh?
Papa, but I have tried. I bought you a car. You sold it. You sold your landed property just so you could bet and drink yourself to stupor.
No, it is that.
What else do you want?
It is
you
that
want my blood? You want my blood? Take it.
It is that your wife.
No, don't try that too. No, I said it before. Don't drag my wife into this. No, she never the problem.
She's the cause. Mike, hey, come. Where is she? Gina, call the doctor. Chio, what is that? Call the doctor. Call the doctor. Call the doctor. Go. Call the doctor. Call the doctor.
What's this? What's I doing?
What does it look like I'm doing?
Why?
Jonas, I want to be a mother one day.
I want to be a father too now, so I don't understand what you're talking about.
I doubt though, because you don't act like one.
What?
If only you can be like your brother.
What's that supposed to mean? Why are you comparing me to him?
Why would I compare you?
What does he have to do with what we're talking about now? Why are you comparing me to him?
A lot! For crying out loud! Your brother is responsible, unlike you. All you do is gallivant around the whole city with your friends, get drunk and drink yourself to stupor. Do drugs.
I can see that you have found somebody that's richer. That's why you're making all this noise. No pass like that. I wish you the best.
So this is all you have to say.
What do I have to say? I'm telling you the truth.
It's not your
Why
fault.
you gonna be doing this kind of
No,
nonsense?
don't worry. I don't blame you, yeah? Don't come on for road, I beg. I'll come back for the rest of my
I'll burn it. Everything, I'll burn it.
They don't burn you, try it.
I go burn them.
Eh?
What will you do? You won't do anything.
Don't worry, Sha.
Carry your nonsense and go. This is the only thing that you're taking from this house. Every other thing is gone.
Don't worry.
How is it my fault before? Go! Let me close before mosquito will come in. Nonsense. Hello? Whoa, relax, I can't, relax. What? Where? Okay, I'm coming now.
Hey. What a loss. He was such a vibrant young man.
Very vibrant.
Very peaceful. The last time he visited you, I was there. He gave me some money.
He gave you money?
Honestly.
Yeah.
My dear, accept my condolences.
You know, he died so untimely.
Yeah, but the most important thing is that we stay strong and move on. Rest in peace to the deceased, you know. His legacy will live on.
But he had no peace in his home.
Really? Someone save me. No one
What?
told me how cold the world can be.
Baby, come, let's go. Excuse me.
G, you guys are going in?
When you left me
Saints,
behind, my love,
see you later, okay?
left me broken down.
Mr. Onyeka, I have to be on my way.
It's okay. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Let me see you off.
All right, my brother.
Yes, thank you.
Glad that you came.
Now everything around me is broken down because you left
Bye-bye.
me. Oh, you left me. So tell me how.
What was the meaning of that now, Papa? Why would you do that? That's wrong now. You take something good and turn it bad. Why?
Meaning of what?
What do you mean meaning of what? Why would you insinuate that G has something to do with Mark's death? That's very wrong. In front of her and the son.
Hey, you don't want the world to know. You talk Hamal. You don't want people to know what happened.
You want to know what? Okay, tell me what happened. Do you want her to sue you for defamation? If she sues you for defamation, Mark is not here to give you money to pay for the court now. I'm telling you now. She's Mark's wife. You need to treat her as such now. And give her some respect.
Respect. Also sue. Leave that matter.
You should let the woman grieve in peace. And that shouldn't be too much to ask now.
Let her grieve in pieces if she wants. Who cares? That grieve in pieces.
Why would you say that?
Why would I say that?
Why would you say she should grieve in pieces? What kind of nonsense is that?
She has got you.
Money does not like hatred. Papa, I have to tell you this. Money does not like hatred. You're like a ball of hate. Why would you say something like that to a widow? That's why you've been broke all these years.
I'm mocking her.
I know it's not Jonas, it's not an insult. It's a statement of fact, sir. I mean it with all due respect.
You're talking to me.
Money is repelled from you like opposite of magnets because you're full of hate. Money likes love. You don't have love in your system. It's wrong for you to say that.
I'm fighting to keep what you left to hold. Memories of you just to linger on.
Who is there?
It's me. Can I come in?
The door is open.
Hey.
Hey.
Hello.
Hey.
I just wanted to apologize for my father's behavior earlier. It was very, very wrong of him. He shouldn't have said what he said. I'm sorry.
How could he even say such a thing?
Don't take it to heart. You know how he does now. He just says anything that comes to his mind. You shouldn't let that bother you, honestly. You shouldn't.
There's so much one can take, honestly. This is too much.
It's if you understand. Okay? It's okay. I know that there's only so much one can take.
Hey! What are you doing? What's the meaning of this?
No, nothing. I'm just trying to make sure you're okay, you know?
I'm okay. Please leave.
Okay. Are you sure?
Leave.
Okay.
Now.
Yeah, no. Sure. Okay. Okay, if you need anything, just let me know, okay?
Just go.
All right. Okay.
Ew. And I've seen the things I've been using to.
Papa, what are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? I am trying to check some of these clothes. So I will be using them to go and do my bet, check my scores. You can see the quality of this clothes. So beautiful.
Papa, are you being serious right now?
No, I'm being unserious. Hey! Ah! Wonderful. Wonderful. Yeah. This one will go in here. Yes. Yes. I have new clothes now. Hey! Very, very wonderful clothes. Mother Kozia the thing now. Any respect. Now, about the game. Man, I'm not a beggar. Beggar now about game now. Serious minded beggar. Nice. Well, I was in can check again.
Do you even know how to use a laptop?
Now listen. You see the title deeds of these properties. You may tell Mark, bring them to me.
No, Papa. Mark has a son.
But Mark has a father too. Hey!
Oh, really?
What kind of a father is this? What kind of man is this?
How cold the world can be. No word was said when you left me behind, my love. You left me broken down. You took the colors of my world with you. When you left me. Now everything around me is broken down.
How you doing, bro? Thank you for showing up, man. Thank you for meeting with me. I really appreciate it, bro.
It's fine.
Yeah. I know you're wondering why I invited you out here.
I am.
Yeah. And I know we're not like the best of friends, you know?
We're not friends at all.
Exactly. And, you know, my brother's been laid to rest, obviously. You know that.
I know.
Yeah. You were there. So I was wondering, when are his properties going to be transferred to me? You know, what's the delay? Why the hold up?
For you?
To me, yeah, of course. I mean, I'm his only brother, right? Obviously, so why not?
He has a wife and a son.
I'm his next of kin. You are aware of that, right?
I would have to wait and see how it goes.
How what goes? It's simple. I'm his brother, only brother. I get everything.
I'll be a moment. Please.
All right.
Thank you.
I always see is involved, though. I just might tell you. That's that. I always see is involved. My brother. Take care,
Oh, how really? Someone save me. 'Cause no one told me how cold the world can be. No word was said when you left me behind, my love. You left me broken down. You took the colors of my world with you. When you left me.
You've been busy all through today.
Now everything around me is broken down because you left.
You startled me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. That was not my intention. I'm sorry about that.
It's okay.
So is there anything you need help with? You know, I'm here. I'll take care of it.
Nothing. I just want to get over everything.
I totally understand. That's a natural reaction.
You know, now that Mark is gone, I'll be stepping into Phil's shoes. So if there's anything you need, anything at all, even if it's outside the box, just let me know. I don't judge as well. Okay? I'll take care of it.
Mark's shoes are perfectly filled, Jonas.
I'm just saying. Okay. It might not occur to you now, but further down the line, anything.
When you left me, now everything around me is broken down because you left me. Oh, you left me.
This is the last will and testament of Mark Onyeka. If you're hearing this, it means I'm no more. I am sorry I had to leave. I leave everything I have to my son, Saint Mark Onyeka.
No, now. What did you say? No. It's not possible.
So, the will is pretty straightforward. Saint inherits everything.
Everything, like, everything.
But that's not the way things are done. Things can't be done that way.
No, but that's how Mark wanted to write his will, so you cannot debate with him.
No, that's not tradition, my son. That's not
but that's
tradition.
what he wrote. But what I'm saying is that he will need a guardian, Jonas, until he turns 18. That will manage the funds and multiply the estates. And you know, some people are not capable, you know, they're not even mentally stable in terms of addictions to alcohol and stuff.
Shut up, my friend, what are you saying?
And other people might be limited by the agenda, not that the agenda limits you, but they're not used to, you know, having experience.
Look at,
you know, but other people also are very, very, very capable of doing the job.
So, if you have any issues with this will, you're free to take it up in court.
You're stupid. You're hopeless. Have you ever seen a thing like that happen in any family where I come from?
What do you mean, any family?
What?
Your son, no, I never died. Your only son, the other son died. I don't know.
Yes, now this guy doesn't know what he's doing. You have connived with her. Look at the kind of hair. Because you have this kind of hair.
Papa, don't touch him. If you start fighting you, I won't put that.
He cannot be useful.
I won't put that.
Sir,
He will beat you. I won't put that though.
With all due respect, I will not have you question my integrity.
Get out. Which integrity do you have? Which integrity better known?
Get out.
He's a fool.
Lawyers, everything is about integrity. Papa, this is not how to handle yourself. Do you understand? You have to be responsible. So, the financial guardian, do you understand? That role is obviously filled. I'll be back in a second. She agrees with me. Hold on, I'll be back in a second.
Oh, you left me. So tell me how I'm supposed to live my life. And you're not here with me. You're not here with me. So tell me how I'm supposed to breathe again. And you're not here with me. You're not here with me. I thought forever is this. I thought you never ever.
Good morning, sunshine. How you doing?
Jonas,
So beautiful.
what are you doing in my room?
Honestly, I missed you. You know, I couldn't stop thinking about you. I just, you know, it's crazy if I say what I'm about to say, which I will say, but like, it's like I go through phases of thinking about your body parts. The day before yesterday was your bosom. Yesterday in the morning was your backside. Today's your thighs. I like how that red is hugging on your thighs.
Jonas, have you gone crazy? Have you gone nuts?
Crazy over you. I want to bust over you. I don't want to talk too much. I'm about action.
I am your brother's wife.
You were my brother's wife, okay? Past tense. Let the dead bury the dead, like the Bible says, okay? Leave that one. We're talking about now. Huh?
Jonas.
What's up, babe?
Please leave my room. Jonas, get out of my room this minute.
I'm going to get out of our room for now. Keyword, for now. You know, but I need you to realize that I own you and say it. Both of you belong to me.
I can see that you're crazy. You're even mad. Jonas, get out of my room now. Jonas, leave my room. I will scream, oh. I will scream.
You can scream now. It's okay. It's allowed to. Do you understand? Then we'll start explaining when people come. Do you want to explain? I'll go.
Just go and never come back.
I will come back.
Because you left me.
Don't worry, next time I'll make you scream in a different way. That type that you like.
Jonas, go!
Supposed to live my life.
No, I didn't know in the right places. You see your thighs. See your children.
Tell me how I'm supposed to breathe again. But you're not hearing me. You're not hearing me.
Boy has gone mad. He's raving mad.
I thought you never ever. Jesus. I thought you never leave me. Oh, go.
Your boyfriend is in my room without even knocking. It's like I like this wild side of you.
Why would you tell my son that you are his father?
Because I am.
You are not his father. Saint has a father, for goodness sake.
Come on, guys, relax.
Leave me.
And if I don't, what are you going to do?
Listen, leave, I will scream. Oh.
Scream now, come I guess. You can scream. You know why you came inside this room?
Just leave me alone.
You know why you came inside this room. Stop pretending.
Respect yourself and
I'm respecting myself now. You respect yourself.
Can you just leave me?
That bastard. Why can't he just let the past be in the past? What is wrong with him?
I don't know what to do. I don't know why has fate decided to treat me this way? Like, this is too much for me to bear. It's just too much.
I can't say I understand how you feel. But please, I want you to stand your ground. Gina, stand your ground.
What do you...
Nothing. He can't do anything. Nothing. He won't do anything.
I'm fighting to keep what you left to hold. Memories of you just to linger on. The laughter, the tears, and the fears we shared. The life.
I jump again.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Where are you taking me?
What's up?
Where are you taking my son to?
Oh, okay, no, I'm just going out with my boy, my son. Who's your daddy?
Saint, go to your room now.
But, Mom...
To your room now!
Okay. You can go to your room, okay? Hold on, let me open it for you. I got it. High five first. Double high five. Ha! Ha! Good boy. Alright, I'll get you ice cream, okay? What's your problem now? Why are you so harsh? Take it easy on the boy. He's just a boy.
Jonas, can you stop this madness?
Stop what? That I want to go out with my son is madness. How is it madness that I want to go out with my son?
He's not your son.
Keep telling yourself that. That's why you have to tell yourself to sleep at night, then that's okay. But every time you utter it out for the world to hear, you're lying to the world. Do you understand me? It shouldn't be a problem with me to get my son out. What's the problem?
He's not your son
Hey,
now.
Listen. See, I'm trying to take it easy on you. Do you understand? I'm a gentleman. Do you understand me? But you need to play to my tune. If I say right, you go right. If I say left, left. If I say jump, you say how high. That's what you should be saying. If not, I'll expose you. Do you understand me? No, it's not about, I've told you now. You respect yourself.
Jonas, you will do no such thing.
Why wouldn't I do a such thing? What kind of nonsense is that? You're disrespecting me in front of my son. What's that supposed to mean? Don't say, hey, listen. This is my son. Nonsense.
I thought forever was us.
It's not your
I thought
son.
you never ever. I thought you never leave me. I'll go on and go home. I thought forever is us. I thought you never leave me. I thought you never ever. But go on and go.
You know you can talk to me about what is bothering you, right?
Osas, nothing is bothering me. I'm fine.
That's a lie.
Listen, Osas, I don't want to bore you with my issues, please.
You're not bothering me at all. Mark wasn't just a client. He was also my good friend.
Yeah, I know.
Please, feel free to come to me whenever you need someone to talk to, okay?
Sure. And thank you for bringing me back home. I really appreciate.
You're welcome. Don't worry, I will have my mechanic fix your car. And when it's done, I will make sure it is returned to you.
Okay, thank you again.
You're welcome.
So, do you mind coming in?
Maybe next time. I have work to do.
Sure. All right, see you around.
All right.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
What are you cooking now?
Jonas.
What?
Stop.
Stop fighting this love. Which one is stop again? Which one is stop? What do you mean by stop?
Jonas, can you stop?
Stop what? Is it the first time? Stop this thing. Why are you doing like this?
It's all in the past.
I said what's in the past and what's not in the past. It's not in the past anything. See, we are both hungry. Do you understand?
I need to cook
No, it's
for
not
my
about that kind of food. I'm talking about different type of food.
Jonas, Mommy. Baby.
Hey, Cham. What's up?
I'm hungry. Oh, my love. Mommy is still making food and she will soon be done, okay?
Yeah.
Do you know what will happen? Just take Uncle out so you guys can go play football while I finish up, okay? I'll soon be done. I won't waste time, all right? Okay.
Want to play? Okay. All right now. Okay. Hey, I'll dribble you.
Hey! Now.
Sir, you asked to see me.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, there's no problem.
A little problem. I need some money.
Money?
Yes.
Okay. How much are we talking about here?
No, not that much. 500,000.
500,000? What do you need that kind of money for?
Mark, I blame you. I blame you. I can't blame you. See, I've become a beggar. And I just say, I'm begging for money. That's why she's asking me what I need money for.
Sir, it's not like that. It's just that I have a lot on my plate now.
Don't fire you there. have a lot on your plate. Why don't you have a lot inside your pot? Eh? Because I just need small amount of money, 500,000, so you have a lot in your pot. Why don't you have a lot in your pot? No, eh? I blame you. We also have to do the DNA test of that boy.
DNA test? What for?
My people don't like bastards. You don't take bastards, huh?
With all due respect, sir, you will not call my son names.
But you and I know. And I know the boy is not my son's son, is not my grandson. We know. I'm my family, I know. You and I know. I'm my family, I know, don't we?
Why are you people doing this to me? Why are you people frustrating me? Is it because I'm not from your tribe?
Who cares whether you're from my tribe or not? Oh, by the way, I want to go and check on a shoe. This is shoe. I want to measure to see whether it's my size. Hey, man, we were wearing the same size. One of his shoes. I want to fit him. I need some shoes. Okay.
Gina, you have seen it all.
So you see my father came around? Huh?
Yes.
Came around?
He was asking for a DNA test.
See, I can see the emotional toll. I can imagine how offensive that is to you. You know? I could stop all of this. Just putting that out there since you can't tell by yourself. You know, I could literally stop all of this, you know. I mean, I don't like seeing you like this.
How?
How? You're staring down on the floor. That's not you. That's for ugly people. You're beautiful. Okay? I mean, everything about you, and you're all natural too. Do you get me? You didn't have to pay a doctor to look like this. Okay? You asked how. What do you mean how? You should know this. I shouldn't be telling you this. It's ridiculous, but I'll tell you. See, stop acting like a child. Which one is how again? I don't understand. Eh? Are you cool? Why are you doing like this? Relax. Okay? How is let me take my rightful place as your man and Saint's father? Do you understand? Stop all this thing you're doing.
Saint is not your son.
How is he not my... Look at me when we are talking. Asa, look at me. How is he not my son? You say he's not my son? Let's do DNA test.
Please, no.
If you don't agree with that, we can do a DNA test. Because I'm not an emotional person. I like to move with facts. Do you get me? Okay? So let science, via the test, settle this argument. Do you understand?
People just let my husband rest in peace, please.
Did somebody say that Mark is not resting in peace? Is there a single soul that said that Mark is not resting in peace? You're the one bringing him up. No, but I didn't even mention him. You're living in the past. You're that type of person that part 2 is never enough. You were like, part 1 was better than part 2. Even if part 2 is better than part 1, you're still hoping on part 1. You're living in the past. Live in the present. See an alpha male in front of you. An improvement from what you had before is in front of you. You're talking about Mark. See, I understand the female emotion. Do you understand? But we're talking about the present and the future. Do you understand? Not the past. So please, leave Mark.
Jonas, please, I'm not doing this with you, please.
You're not doing what with relax. What are you doing?
Can you just stop?
Stop what? I know you. I know what you want. I know what you need. Forget what you want. I know what you need. You need me to satisfy you in ways no other man can. Because my brother's gone. Okay, so that's past tense.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about pleasing you intimately. And I'm not going to force you to do that.
Jonas, please stop. I'm not in for this. Just let me be, please.
How many times are you going to say this? If you wanted to go, you would have gone since. You stop. All this stop is go. Jonas, I'm a gentleman. That's why we're not knocking on this bench chair now. Do you understand? So stop all this pretending. You're wasting my time. I'll go.
Exactly. Stop.
Jonas, I don't...
No, we're not in secondary school. Forget all that ones. If you want to go, you can go. Or you can come close to me now. You understand? Stop all that pretending. I see how you look at me. Obvious I'm taller than your husband. He wants to know if it's bigger. Don't resist. Nobody's going to force you to do anything you don't want to do.
It's just that I don't...
No words. You don't have to talk. Okay? Look up. This is an upgrade. Let's go.
Hi. Welcome. I didn't know you were there. Wait.
Nonsense.
Come on in. Baby. Are you okay?
Mom, can I sleep here?
You having nightmares?
When is Daddy coming back?
Come here, baby. Baby, remember I told you Daddy has gone to be with the Lord, right?
I want to see him. I miss him.
I miss him too. But not to worry. Someday, we will both go up there to be with Daddy, okay? But for now, I promise to love and protect you always. Okay?
Promise?
I promise you, my love. I promise. Come here. I promise you, baby. I will never leave you. Mommy will always be here to protect you, okay? I love you.
So tell me how I'm supposed to live my life. You're not hearing me. You're not hearing
Pick two.
Oh yeah, play.
Pick two. This is early.
Oh yeah, pick.
Continue. Pick two.
I thought forever.
When you me play. Another pick.
Play now.
Play.
You don't go market.
I don't go market. Play.
Wait. I come. Wait. I come.
Play now.
I come. Wait. Wait small. What
your game? It don't start.
What time?
This is just 2 o'clock.
Hey, check it. Oh yeah, open your phone.
Now 2 o'clock.
Now open your phone. Hey, this one is 42 million. This is 47 million. Oh yeah.
My battery don't off.
What?
Yes.
Now you and the devil fellow, they do me this thing. You are a very wicked man. Why I'm using your phone? You don't know this 42 million. Look at this guy. Don't annoy me now.
See person why they borrow my phone to check in game. I take the enemy of progress here now. Oh, I bet you kill this man.
Thank you for coming. Please sit.
Don't have a day.
I know you're disappointed in me.
You bet I am.
I'm also disappointed in myself.
Jonas, of all people, That man was a thorn in Mark's flesh. And you... Gina, what were you thinking about?
Listen, I didn't have a choice.
Everybody has a choice, Gina.
It all started 8 years ago.
Jonas, you better go. I'm not giving you that money. I've said it before. I'm not giving you that money.
Why are you shouting now, big bro? You shouldn't be shouting over this thing now. This is a matter that we should be sitting down with catfish, with wine. You don't understand? 1985 wine, at least we manage from Spain or something. I don't know why we're standing here. This is small money to you. You're putting it in pockets, holding your money, and everything, you quickly know. Somehow, I'm being honest with you, sir.
All you do is take. You never give back.
Which ones I should give back? If I give you money, you should slap me. You have so much money, I don't have any money. Why should I be giving you money? You're my family now, and you have money. So you should help me, you should empower me, like somebody empowered you to get to this level. Which one is that? So I should go outside and be asking strangers to give me money when I have you?
See, I'm not ready to continue funding your wayward lifestyle. I told you this before.
Oh, so now I live a wayward lifestyle. You're now insulting me because of small money.
See what you're saying? It's small money.
It's small money now.
Small money. Okay, if it's small money, why provide it now? Yes, provide it yourself.
You call it give me that
small money.
Small money. Look at the slippers you're wearing now. How much is this slipper? I don't know. I saw you see where you came back from London.
Tomorrow you will still come again tomorrow. Give me this money. See, I said it before. When you are done wasting your life, and you sit down and decide, find something meaningful to do, I will come in as an elder brother to help you. I will be glad to help. Not this way.
I know this is your excuse. This is your draft excuse. Every time I ask you for money, you give me the same excuse. For years, you're giving me the same excuse. Telling me do this. So you criticize me instead of just to help me. Somebody helped you. Somebody helps you to get to this level. You won't help me. What kind of nonsense is this now? I'm a grown man. You're telling me what to do. What's that supposed to mean? And I'm your family. I'm entitled to everything. If I carry this TV and sell now, you shouldn't even be angry yourself because honestly, we are blood, so it's my own too.
I'm tired of this, boy. I'm truly tired. Same thing always.
Baby, you and Jonas again?
Yes, Jonas.
What does he want this time?
Question. What else? Money. Obviously money.
Money again?
Yes. And you know what the money is for? Gas, club, drugs. That is it. Same thing as always. Same cycle. I'm tired.
When is all these things going to end?
It's never going to stop. I've already made it clear to him. If he decides to be a man and get best version of himself, I can help. But with this attitude, I'm not going to give me any money. Let him go to his father. Let them deal with it. As father, as son.
But baby, you know that his family. I mean, he's your only brother. And you can't throw a child with the bathing water.
Yes.
It's okay. You know what? Just take a deep breath and relax.
No, I'm okay. I'm not even going to get myself worked up because of Jonas. No, I'm okay. I'm fine. True, I'm fine. I'm okay. But I'm not giving him any money. So don't even try to beg me about it. I'm not giving him any money. That is it.
It's okay.
I stay out of it. I'm not giving him any money. It's not a problem.
I've heard you, sir. But do you need anything?
No, I'm okay. I'm fine. Thank you.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm perfectly fine. Please.
Wait, Jesus! Go down. Where's the money? Where's the money? No. Go down. Go down. Where's the money? You don't have money.
We don't have.
Where you're going? Why your choice?
Yeah. We have. We have very
Go down. Hey!
We have some variables. Please don't touch her.
Fast! Fast! Can do fast now. More.
Wait. Don't touch her.
Fast! Do fast now.
Take it.
Hey, go here. Okay, go down.
Please.
Go down.
Don't touch her, please. Don't touch her. Hey.
Block right now.
No.
That's not like your life.
Please don't touch her. No. Yes, sir. No, touch her.
No.
Please, I beg you.
Now, shut up, make me enjoy now.
Quiet.
Stop, please. Madam, shut up, make you enjoy small now. Don't enjoy, sir. Sorry, I'm so sorry. You'll be fine. You had the doctor now. The drugs they give us will protect any unwanted pregnancy. And any disease. I'm so sorry. They have taken care of everything. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Sorry. And I'm so sorry that I failed you. I couldn't protect you. I'm sorry. Please, no. I'm sorry. Sorry, but wait, let me get you water. I'm coming. Sorry. Just be okay. I'm coming. Okay. This is it. Sorry, just take it. Sorry, easy. Okay, take more. Are you good?
Okay.
Sorry. Okay, do we go upstairs? You know, I can carry you, know that. We should go upstairs. Are you good here?
The door was open. What's going on? G, the door was open now. Anybody can just walk in. It's not safe. What's up, G? What's going on with you now? The door was open. Anybody could have just walked in. It's not safe now. It's irresponsible.
Brother-in-law.
Yeah?
Welcome.
Okay.
Mark is off to work.
I know. I also know it's obvious you've been drinking quite a bit.
Yeah, you care to join me?
No, I'm okay. No, I'm okay. Drop it.
Something you put your body and soul together.
Drop it. You can drown yourself in alcohol. It's not going to help you. It's only going to make things worse, okay? So stop.
But the perpetrators of that evil are still outside there, gallivanting up and down.
I understand that, but the police is going to handle that. Okay, don't worry about them. Police is going to arrest them and they will pay for what they did. Okay? I need you to see it like that so you don't hurt yourself with this. You're about to puke. Stop drinking.
Mark thinks he's the problem. He keeps blaming himself.
He's not the problem. Okay? He's not the problem. You shouldn't blame yourself.
Exactly what I told him. Not to bother himself. But can't blame him that much. I mean, no man wants this to happen to his wife.
Okay, are you okay? Huh? Oh, just give me a second. I'll be back in a second.
I'm fine.
Yeah, I know.
I'm okay. Don't I look okay? Oh. Life is good. What?
This is better for you. Yeah, you should be drinking this. And not that. There you go.
Ow!
I'm sorry.
Ooh.
Be careful. Okay?
Oh, shit.
Be careful. It's better when it's hot, obviously.
It's so hot.
And that's the point. Yeah? Have a sip. Let's take a call. I'll back in a second, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Drink your coffee, okay?
Okay, brother-in-law. Always want to babysit. It's quite much. Oh. So hot. Oh. Brother.
Huh?
You're back.
Yes. Should drink that, okay? It's bad for you.
Yeah, it's very hot.
Yeah, it's supposed to be. Cheers.
You prefer this? You don't want to take this?
Yeah, drink all of it. That's good. You feel better, I promise.
That's all I could remember. It didn't end there. As a matter of fact, that was just the beginning. Jonas, wake up! Wake up!
Oh, you're shouting. Stop shouting. Why are the lights on? All the lights are on.
Jonas, what are you doing here? What happened? What are you doing in my room?
Oh my God. No!
Jonas, what are you doing in my bed?
Okay, you need to stop pointing accusatory fingers, okay? Because this is not my fault.
Whose fault is it then?
Stop shouting.
Whose fault?
Come on, you're the one that wouldn't let me leave, okay? Stop acting like this now. Come on, yesterday you wouldn't let me leave, okay? So it's not my fault.
I was drunk.
Yeah, and who gave me the alcohol I drank? You gave me the alcohol too now. You are pulling me back. You are all over me. You wouldn't let me leave. I tried to. You are literally pulling me back. You are jumping on me. What do you want me to do?
Why didn't you just resist?
I resisted when I could now. Now.
I'm finished. You know what? Just leave.
See, nobody forced you to do anything, though. So you wanted it to.
Jonas, leave my room.
Okay, stop.
Just go.
Okay, now I'm leaving. Now stop shouting. What's going on now?
Jesus God, I'm finished. Finished.
Akwarandu.
Jonas, leave my room. Just go.
Stop shouting.
Miriam, I'm so ashamed of myself. I betrayed my husband. I'm so ashamed of myself.
You should not be ashamed. He's a man. He knows exactly what he's doing.
But he was drunk too.
He's a man. He knows what he's doing. I'm not trying to justify whatever happened, but you were grieving and you were vulnerable.
I think I need to tell him.
Are you crazy? Like you're ready to lose your marriage?
But he deserves to know.
I'll gladly welcome you to singlehood.
I'm so confused.
See, girl, just make sure you keep your mouth shut. And Jonas, he should keep his own mouth shut too, and everything will be fine.
Hey, Gina, why have you been avoiding me? What's that about?
I'm not avoiding you.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Why? Is it because of what happened between us? Huh? I know that's why. Come on now. We need to stop.
Are we going to tell him?
I'm not going to tell him if you don't tell him. I have no reason to tell him. Okay?
What's the cost of your silence?
There's no cost to my silence. You need to stop with that, okay? You're breaking my heart, honestly. What happened between us shouldn't have happened in the first place. So there's no cost of silence. It should be silence.
Yeah, it shouldn't have happened, and I'm very, very sorry. I'm sorry for putting us in this situation.
Listen.
Okay.
It's okay. It should stay in the past, okay? Let it just stay in the past.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Honestly, I'm not usually like this. I don't drink.
But you don't have to explain yourself to me, okay? I'm not judgmental. I totally understand things happen that shouldn't happen, and that's that, okay? So you don't have to explain yourself.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So please stop avoiding me, okay? It's making me feel weird.
What's going on? Like, talk to me. I don't like how you're looking. You're getting me worried. I've been here for so long and you're not saying anything. What is it?
I'm pregnant.
Oh my God! You're pregnant! I'm gonna be an auntie! Oh my God, I'm so happy for you. Congratulations!
What's there to be happy about?
This is supposed to be good news.
How is it a good news?
You're getting me confused. You've been wanting a child for so long and now you have it and... Wait, hold on. Is it Jonas?
Why is fate treating me like this?
Gina, I'm so sorry.
Why is fate treating me like this? Why?
Does your husband know?
No, my husband doesn't know.
Okay. This baby belongs to your husband, Mark. Yes.
The
baby belongs to your husband. That's it. End of story.
His father was on my neck. Jonas threatened me.
When the first incident happened, did you take the medication?
Yes, I did.
That means there's a high probability that Saint is Jonas' son.
Yes. But you know, morning pills aren't 100% certain.
So there's still a chance that he could be Max?
I don't want to lose my son. Neither do I want to lose Mark's name.
Gina, you need to do a DNA test.
What?
Do you trust me? Do the test. When the result is out, we will figure out what next to do. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Nah. Just pray that this thing doesn't cut.
I don't have to pray.
Just pray.
I've told you to get a small Android.
What?
So that I can be, hey, this thing don't cut.
Oh!
It don't
I warned you. Why did I go to look for you for your phone? And you know I received these things from your phone.
But thank God you said it's my phone.
Yes?
Huh?
Yes.
Why you no fit buy small Android where you take the like say you get phone now you go cash out.
What is that?
You cash out. They offer you cash out of.
Imagine 19 million.
Hey! One. You self no say you no go fit win them. Now the cash out they talk about 48,000.
No, this 19 million. Jonas.
Jonas.
Yes.
Jonas.
Papa, you just say 90 million.
He just got one because of him. His phone.
So you didn't win?
No, I didn't win.
Okay, when last did you win?
That is not.
No, he would have cashed out.
I would have cashed out 19
No, I know.
million.
There's always would, should, you know, you understand? Almost doesn't kill the bird.
19 million.
No, if you're doing almost in the forest, in the jungle, I go boogie. But sir, sometimes the sure bet is not in gambling. The sure bet is in life. Eh, Papa? Come, let's talk sure bets. Come, let's talk. This is more important than this one. You understand? Papa, you're wasting time. No. This kind of thing you should be already.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm coming. Let me see Jonas. I'm coming.
Why are you wearing blue trousers with this type of shirts?
Is it your business?
You're my father. I care about you. You look like a clown. I love you like that. Come, sir. Papa, why are you walking this slow now? This is it's important.
Jonas, why did you interrupt me? Hey, go Nachi media. Do you know what I'm losing now? The important here. Back. You see, I was.
Oh, it's something that's making you waste money.
Yes.
Not your addiction for betting. All your life that you've been betting, that other people have been paying our school fees since we were children. How much have you made?
Jonas, I used it to pay your school fees.
You have never paid any school fees.
Jonas, I did.
How?
But
that 1 year that I came to you to buy bag for me, school bag. I was in JS3. I'm entering SS1. Buy me new bag. You are insulting me.
Jonas, I paid your school fees.
It's a lie.
I paid your brother's school fees.
Pay
although one of you became a cultist. How
is that why are you deviating from the matter? That doesn't have anything to do with what we're discussing.
Okay,
so don't try and start preaching.
So what is the problem? Why are you here? For all of
Saint. Saint is my son.
What that shall never see.
You are laughing. How is that funny? I thought you were having heart attack at first. I was about to rush you to the hospital. Why are you laughing? How is that funny?
Jonas, workshop that's why your wife left.
Where is your voice?
Why must I? Jonas, why must I reduce my voice?
What I'm talking about is 8 years ago. It was very active 8 years ago.
Oh,
yes.
Active.
When everything is standard, you don't pass your hand. See how tall I am. Imagine.
Jonas,
you cannot compare with me with manhood. Let's all go there.
Jonas,
you can shout it to the mountain tops. Jonas, like this, it's like.
Jonas, tell me where we're going to. What is
I said that you're making me lose focus.
What focus?
Saint is my son. Yes, because Gina and I, like 8 years ago, 1 or 2, you know.
Jonas.
No, we regretted this. Both of us regretted this.
Jonas.
Both of us regretted this.
You slept with your brother's wife. This is abomination. Hello.
Sorry, let me bring microphone.
Jonas. Oh, what was I expecting? What was I expecting? You had the black.
This is not
It is Gina. Gina that
must blame everybody. It's not a blame game. This is a matter of I need to do my DNA test and collect my family. Do you understand me? Because if it touch me, if I inherit when, do you understand? Because it's my family. When I inherit what I should inherit, it will touch you. If it touch you, it will touch you. It will go on mama's side, her papa's side. Do you understand? It will touch you. Do you understand? So I'm coming to you now.
Hey!
This is more money that you make from sporting. Okay?
Hey!
I've said my own. Stop shouting. And don't be talking about my business outside, sir. Papa, I respect you.
Hey!
If it touch me, it will touch you. Saying that, how can I know? I was 8 years ago, I was very active. I even have video to show.
Nonsense.
Jonas will not kill me. How did I? Kezi can manage Mune, and I had this child. How did I manage?
Here comes the law. But your client is not around though. Maybe you should do some due diligence and call first. Do you understand? To make sure that she's around before you come around. Can't just show up. Other lawyers, good lawyers anyways, they do due diligence.
I came to see you.
You came to see me?
Yes.
What for? See me, take picture.
Jonas.
Or you can take memory picture. Do you understand? So get out, you see me. What else you want?
I want you to stay away from Gina. And while you're at it, move out of this house. You don't belong here.
How can I not belong here? It's my brother's house. How can I not belong in my own brother's house?
That now belong to his son.
Who belongs to me?
That is yet to be proven.
It will be soon, okay? Maybe you should calm down until then. Do you understand? You're putting the cart before the horse. Do you understand me?
Don't test me.
Test you how? I test you all day. I'm your daddy. What will you do?
You will not like what I will do, okay?
I will not like what you do. What will you do? I will not like it. You're a madman. Get out of here. What are you talking about? You think I don't know why you're here talking nonsense? Wearing suits, coming to seduce a woman that is not interested in you. It's not about wearing suits. It's about aura. I have aura. You don't have any aura. Do you understand me? I see how you look at her. You want her for yourself. But I'm here to tell you, continue going to her IG page and using soap to handle yourself. Because it will never happen in reality. It will never happen. I'm telling you that. Take that from me. It will never happen.
I see you're delusional.
I'm delusional. You're the one that's delusional, wearing red suits to come and seduce a woman. You're mad. It's about aura. You don't have it.
Be warned.
I am warned. How? My friend, get out of here. You're intruding in a property that does not belong to you, so get out of here. Idiot.
Oh, you left me. So tell me how supposed to live.
Open the car now.
And you're not here.
Oh, you don't you leave the key inside.
So tell me how I'm supposed to breathe again. And you're not here with me. You're not here with me. I thought forever.
Yeah, can I help you? Who are you looking for?
Jonas.
Is he expecting you?
Yes, yeah, he is. He's just... Okay.
What are you doing here?
Huh?
It's okay. You can go inside, okay?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Bro, what's up? How you doing, bro?
Guy, what's up now? What are you doing here? No, you don't understand me.
What's up now, guy? What's up?
It's not like that.
I told you I'll call you now.
This is where you'll be hiding.
Dude, raise your voice. I told you I'll call you.
How can I reduce my voice? I should know this.
No, it's not like that now. I told you I was going to call you.
Is she your brother's wife?
Your voice, guy. What are you doing now?
Is she your brother's wife?
Guy, see, you shouldn't be here right now. I said I will call you.
You know why I'm saying this?
Like, you're my guy now. If I say I'll call you, that means I'll call you.
I know. If you could betray your brother, how much more me?
Nobody betrayed anybody. Why are you talking like that? I won't betray you. Bro, don't talk. I'll call you. Just go first.
You better do.
Of course I'll call you. Why would I call you?
If I come back, my coming,
you won't
like...
see. Nobody's... Are you threatening me again? My guy, you're my guy now. Just go first. We'll talk. I'll call you, guy. Go. Stop talking. It's okay. Just go. Go.
I thought forever is this. I thought you never ever. I thought you never leave me. I'll go on and go home. I thought forever is this. I thought you never leave me. I thought you never ever. But go on and go.
Senti, baby.
You at home?
Baby. Senti, baby. Go to your room, okay? I want to speak with Uncle Sans for a bit. I'll join you soon, okay? Alright, baby.
Be a good boy, okay?
So what next?
We wait for the results.
You know, I want to thank you for everything you're doing for me. I really appreciate.
You're welcome. I'll do anything to see you happy. Again.
Thank you.
Anything for you. And of course, Saint as well.
So, do you want to come in?
No, I'll call you. I have work to do.
Memories of you just to linger on. The laughter, the tears, and the fears we shared. The light, that believe, and love.
Barrister.
Yes, sir.
Why are you in my house?
I came to talk to you about Mark's family.
What about Mark's family?
Mark was a good man. He loved his wife, his son, and despite everything, he loved you as well.
Until that woman bewitched him. Yes.
No. Gina loved him right. She was his peace of mind.
Look, Barrister, I did everything for my family. Everything I could.
I bet you did. But what Mark wanted from you the most was for you to be responsible and accountable.
No, I lived my life the way I wanted to live it. Go no, Basazi.
At the expense of your children.
What do you mean?
DNA or no DNA test, Saint is Mark's son. Papa. He's the only thing that would remind you of your son. He's Mark's legacy. He belongs to this family. Saint is Mark's legacy.
Legacy?
Yes. Papa, please, I want you to be the grandfather that Saint needs. I might not be from your tribe, but the little I know is that Saint belongs to this family. I have to take my leave now.
No, it's okay. Let me offer you something. That you came to my house. I'm happy. Let me give you something.
I'm fine, Papa. No need for that, okay? I have work to do, actually. Yes.
Okay, yeah.
All right,
God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Hey! I have failed my family. No. I've done bad things. Hey! That barrister was right. In our tradition, once a woman is properly married, a bride price is paid. Any child she brings belongs to that family. Therefore, Saint is my grandchild.
Easy!
I missed you so much. So are you ready to have some fun with Auntie?
Yes.
Good boy.
Thank you for letting him stay with you.
You don't have to thank me. He's like my son. And he needs to stay away from all this drama.
I know, right? Sensible. You are going to spend some time with Auntie. Are you happy?
Yes.
You sure? So, let's go. Hope you will not miss me too much. Will you miss me?
No.
Of course you will miss me. Why would you miss me?
Let me have the bag.
Thank you, dear. Yeah, let's go. You miss mommy, right? Mommy will miss you too.
Someone save me.
My dear, sorry I've not been able to come around.
No, it's fine. I understand.
I've been away.
I know, right? I know. You look good.
Thank you. So, Gina, tell me, how have you been coping?
My dear, it's been real, oh. My God. Honestly.
Well. What do we have here? What are you looking for? Did you miss your way? What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
What kind of nonsense question is that? In my own brother's house, what am I doing in my brother's house? You see, you don't think about things logically before you ask questions. What kind of nonsense question is that? My brother's house.
No shame, your brother's house. How could I have forgotten?
So it's not my brother's house. See, I know what you're here for. You're here to beg. Nobody's going to accept your apology. It's not going to work. Do you understand? So forget it.
Well, Mr. Man, keep dreaming. Look at this one.
Nobody's dreaming. See what you're wearing like crayon.
Gina, what is he doing here? He now lives here.
Like you said, it's his brother's house.
Ha! See, we all know Jonas is a bag of trouble. The sooner he leaves this house, the better for you. I bet forget about that one, my dear. How is life? I'm so sorry about the loss.
It's okay. Now God, they run am now. It's okay. Welcome, Papa.
Gina,
Good day.
how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Papa, I've finished packing everything.
What for?
Papa, I finished packing Max's belongings. All for you. Papa, I'm exhausted, please. I don't have strength for problems.
That's not why I came. I came for a different purpose.
What did you come for?
Gina, I wronged you. I am sorry. I came to apologize. I also know that I contributed so much to my son's sickness and his eventual death. And I feel so bad about that. I'm sorry. I came to say I'm sorry.
Huh?
Yes.
Papa, you came to apologize to me.
Yes, Gina. You know, my past experiences affected the way I judged you and treated you.
Your past experience?
Yes, Gina. Yes, I was actually treated so badly by women from your tribe. So I just transferred the aggression, just transferred that to you. I judged you wrongly.
Papa, no now. You shouldn't have done that. You can't use another person's mistake to judge another person. Everybody's not the same. People are different.
I know, Gina. That's why I came to apologize, to say I'm deeply sorry. Again, the boy is Mark's son, and everything he had belongs to him. So, yes.
Papa, are you serious?
Oh yes. Oh yes. Everything belongs to him, so, you know.
But Papa, what if the DNA proves that he is not Max's son?
Gina, that's not important. No matter where I come from, that is, once you pay the bride price of a lady, any child she brings belongs to you. So we accept Max's son, and then it is also an opportunity for me to beg you to allow me be his grandfather, to play the role of a grandfather to him. I want to show that I have changed, I've become a better person. I want to be a good father to him, grandfather to him. Please, will you allow me?
Papa, can I please have a hug? Can I get a hug?
I also deserve it myself. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I know I hurt you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
That is bull crap. Okay, bull crap. They're not credible. We can't believe them. They're not credible.
Pardon?
We need to run another test with a credible medical institution to make sure that the results are accurate. Okay, because those results are not accurate. I can tell you that for a fact.
Listen, you can rerun the test 100 times if you like, but he is not your son and he will never be your son.
You cannot say that, because in legal terms, we need to get a second opinion and make sure that everything is, because they're not credible. Everything Marcus is mine. Everything. What's going on here? What are you doing here, guy? Eh? What are you doing here now?
Out of the hour. You want to shout for me?
Boy, you should leave. Leave my house. Leave my house.
Leave your house? Which house? Why are you asking me to leave?
Leave now. What are you shouldn't be here.
For what?
Why are you here? I said I'll call you.
Bro, stop this thing now. Why
leave! What do you want for my brother? I said leave.
I thought he's your friend.
Was my friend. Guys, stand up first and leave. Go do. I'll call you on the phone. Stand up and leave. Go.
What's happening?
Okay.
Nothing is happening. He's about to leave. We'll talk on the phone. I heard. So you can now leave.
Don't push me.
I'm nobody's
Let me
pushing
tell
anybody.
you the real story.
Okay.
Tell who real which real story?
Me
Wait! What's your problem? Who are you telling any story? There's nothing to tell.
Me and this bastard, we did business together. He decided to keep the profits for himself.
Guy.
Jonas.
Guy, reason what you want to do. Reason what you want to like this.
Okay, sit down for leave this one.
Reason what you want to. Reason and well. Oh.
Jonas, is it true?
What true? It's not true. This guy is not capable of telling the truth. He needs mental evaluation. Jonas, that's what I'm saying. You should live here.
Oh, you need it too.
So that's the plan. Very, very simple. It's an easy game. Do you understand? We breeze in and we breeze out. That's it.
I hope you say everywhere I said.
Everywhere don't sense now. You don't trust me again.
I don't trust you always.
Exactly.
You are my party now.
Exactly.
Make you no go cast.
Nothing fit cast, my brother. I don't tell you, say, everything nonsense.
No problem.
Alright now.
Alright now.
Alright now. Safe.
Alright, bro.
This was the plan, man. This wasn't the plan. What are you doing now? This wasn't the plan.
What was the plan?
The plan was to go in there and come out easy. No violence.
You need to see her body. I can't resist that.
No, sexual assault is a crime. What kind of nonsense is that?
Armed robbery is not a crime now, Abi.
There are different levels. Do you understand? There are different levels.
The bottom line is that we're bottom what millions. So how do we share it? Look at this one here.
You say the sharing?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry about the sharing. The sharing is not an issue. My plug don't day. We go buy this thing tomorrow. You wish for her. Hold this TV well, me no for. No, tomorrow evening. No. Of course you're supposed to trust me. Tomorrow evening. Show my side. And me will go first. You go put down for the back of my car. Why are you calling me? Why on earth are you calling me? I said calm down now.
Yeah, please, I beg you. The name of God, can you please send me the share of that money? Some people are after my life.
You get your money, relax.
Baba, no be by relaxing. As I'm talking to you now, they're threatening to lock me up.
Relax, stop calling me. It's okay. I promise you should trust me now. What's the problem? Relax.
Are you sure? I trust you, Baba. Thank you so much. Please try. Please try.
Why are you lying?
Jonas, you are the devil here.
How am I?
You are the devil.
Why would you say that? How did I do what?
See, madam, I'm not here to frighten you. I know I've paid.
You're a liar.
I know I've paid for my crime, but the truth must be told.
It's not the truth or anything. He's a liar. He's a pure liar. Guy, listen. Seriously, your problem is.
Leave me.
Get out of here.
I will leave.
You need to get out of here. What do you think you're going to gain? What you're saying? What will you gain?
You cost all this.
How did I cost it?
I told you.
Stupid. I said calm down. I told you.
Jonas and his friend were the people that robbed and raped me.
It's a lie. It's a lie. It's this guy that did it here. Get out. Get out. You're a rapist. Get Get out! I'm sorry. You're sorry.
I will
I
go.
will
I will go.
Get out of here. How will you get that way now? How will you get your money?
I told you.
How will you get your money?
I told you that my
Okay,
phone is
I'm
not like
telling you how you get your money.
I don't know.
How? What do you mean how you get me? How would you come here and spoil everything?
But I told you.
How you get your money?
I told you that my
Okay, how will you get your money now?
I told you that.
Tell me how you get your money.
Hey,
why you going?
Don't move.
Yes. No, it's him. Oh, I'm going to the money. Are you mad?
Officers, arrest them.
Arrest him.
The both of them, arrest them.
What do you mean arrest them? I'm the man of the house.
Hey, you're under arrest.
Keep how?
You're under arrest, both of you.
How? I'm the man of the house.
Robbery and rape.
He's the one that robbery and rape now.
Call them.
He's the robbery and rape guy.
Don't make a move, bro. Don't move.
What are you doing?
Hey.
Take them away, officers. Arrest them.
So this is what? You people are conniving. He's romantically involved with his clients. And he got you people here under falsehood to arrest me. He's romantically involved. He's the one that should be getting arrested. Why are you holding her?
Hey,
why are you questioning her? Move. Why are you saying
Don't push me that way, okay?
You're supposed to be a lawyer. Move. Am I not moving? Move. See these people you brought as police. They don't talk about the food, move. Simple, you help me go. Move. You help me go.
Don't push move.
Nonsense. Move. What kind of lawyer went today? You're wearing red suit. As a lawyer, you are an irresponsible lawyer. You're knocking your clients. How can you be knocking your clients with your red suit, idiots? We're moving. We're moving. Are we not moving? Nonsense.
Let's go.
I will make sure there's space for everything is done, okay?
Gina, what's going on here? What's the police doing here?
They are the robbers that attacked and raped her.
What?
It's fine.
Oh, how really?
Baby!
Someone save me. 'Cause no one told me how cold the world can be. No word was said when you left me behind, my love. You left me broken down. You took the colors of my world with you when you left me. Now everything around me is broken down because you left me. Oh, you left me. So tell me how I'm supposed to live my